Alright, today's little project. What do we have? We have an NP100 NEC DLP projector. Turn this on, turn it on. Okay, get a blinking blue light, but no startup. So this indicates, based on the manual, that the globe is stuffed. So I'm going to show you how to pull out the globe because I can't find anything on this online. And I'll show you a possible trick to check the globe using continuity with a multimeter to avoid having to buy a globe, which are about 170 Australian dollars, which is about 17 times more than the street value of this 800 by 600 DLP projector. All you need, Phillips head. There should be a second screw there. This one's missing one, but anyway, take the screw out. They're basically screws that can't come out, so don't try and remove them. There are also 1 and 2 Phillips heads here. Again, don't undo these ones here. Now, when you pull this out, it says in the manual this requires a hard yank, so it really, it does, and it doesn't feel very good when you pull it out. But anyway, that is the globe from the projector. So we've got some pins here. I'll do some continuity checks and I'll try this little trick to see if it works. What I've read is that if you give this a tap, so you can see there, open loop, so there's no resistance at all. I've just got the multimeter hooked up to the globe. Give this a tap. No, this is going to do nothing. So next thing to check is I've got power on, and I'm going to check, got it on AC. You can see that the open voltage is 40 volts, which is about right for a projector lamp. So basically we know that or suspect that the projector is okay and that the globe is stuffed. So that little tap didn't work. The projector lamp is showing open circuit, so the projector lamp is stuffed. It should be maybe 20 ohms resistance, something like that. A bit hard to find any information on the web. There's glass there, so it is quite difficult to pull this apart, and if you do, you put finger grease on it and then you get hot spots, same as you do with any halogen globe like a headlight. So no point pulling this apart. But again, reinstallation is just reverse. Put that back in. Make sure that those fingers, those little prongs, are going to line up, and give it a push. Screw it in like so. Put that back on, and there's your projector all done. But this one, it's going to go on the tip because, again, $170 for a globe, not worth replacing it.